In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Zoro's sword in Blox Fruit 2nd C. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to acquire the true triple katana. This is considered Zoro's sword, and you will be able to get it in Blox Fruits in the 2nd C. So I'm gonna go over all of the requirements and the price for you to get the true triple katana. So, for you to obtain this, locate the legendary sword dealer in the 2nd C. You will be able to get clues from the manager and purchase each of the 3 legendary swords sold by the legendary sword dealer. So he is going to sell you the Sadi, Shisui, and Wando. Each sword costs 2 million. So in total, it is going to cost 6 million for you to get them all. You will need to purchase all of them. Keep in mind that the legendary sword dealer despawns after selling one legendary sword, and the sword itself can be a duplicate of what you already have, so keep getting the clues from the manager as needed, and eventually you will be able to get Sadi, Shisu, and Wando. Now, obtain at least 300 mastery on each of the 3 swords. Once you have 300 mastery for each, travel to the green zone and look for the highest beanstalk. Travel to the very top of it and you will find the mysterious man who sells the true triple katana for 2 million more. Once equipped, you will be awarded with 2 titles, the Hurricane and Demon Eye. So, in short, in total, it is going to cost you 8 million. You will not lose any of the previously bought legendary swords even after you purchase the true triple katana, so it is going to be available. On the moveset, you will have Wolf, Fang Rush, and Dragon Hurricane. It has high damage and all moves can damage sea beasts. It is great for grinding as both moves have a lot of damage. So, once again, acquire the 3 legendary swords from the sword dealer by acquiring clues from the manager, and eventually you will be able to purchase it from the mysterious man on top of the highest beanstalk. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Zoro's sword in Blox Fruit 2nd C. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.